Hi guys, here's a quick open box review for Feggizuli 350 19 different type of crimp connector. Let's open the box to see what's included. This is about 8-inch long, 4-inch wide. It's weighted about 8.55 ounce. Open the box, you can see it's a well sorted crimping connector. It has different shape, different color. This is the blue connector, a red connector with different shape. This is the ring connector, green terminal. And this is like a banana type of connector, plug in and put it off. Very straightforward. And there's a blue color ring connector, and here's the blue color flat connector terminal. This is all you need for a variety of different size from AWG 16 to 22. This is all you need. You got this box, you got all different scenarios. I bought this for my home DIY project. It lasts long, very good quality, is made by copper, very stable. I'm very happy with what I got. There's a blue terminal, plug in, unplug, very secure. Overall, 19 different types. Each type has 20 connector, 5 stars. Thank you.